Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we're going to walk you through the process of deactivating your Facebook account. So let's get started. Step 1. Open Facebook app. First, open the Facebook app on your mobile device and log into your Facebook account if you're not already logged in. Step 2. Account settings. Once you're logged in, click on the menu button on the bottom right corner of the Facebook app. From there, click on Settings and Privacy at the top. Step 3. Your Facebook information. After clicking on the Settings and Privacy button, click on the Personal and Account Information. Step 4. Deactivation and Deletion. In the Personal and Account Information settings, click on Account Ownership and Control, then click on Deactivation or Deletion. Step 5. Temporary or permanently delete account. Now, if you want to delete your account temporarily, click on the above option, or if you want to delete account permanently, click on the below option. Step 6. Confirm password. To ensure it's really you, Facebook will prompt you to enter your password. Go ahead and do that. Then select a reason why you want to delete your account. Select a reason from the list and then click on Continue. Deactivating your Facebook account can be a great way to take a break from social media or reassess your online presence. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more useful guides like this one. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.